Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer. The first thing I want to do is break down this gorgeous pineapple that I purchased today. An unusual color, might I add. It's beautiful. I hate to cut into it, but here I go. Pork, being the star of the show, has been marinated in this Mexican hot sauce overnight. I've cut up some onions, peppers, and tomatoes, and of course the pineapple. The concept is to grill these skewers up nice and delicious like, and then pull them off and put them on a hoagie roll. Had my wife make some very thick paste-like blue cheese dressing to spread on the bread. Got a lot of fire going on here as I put on my Kabobs. I'm gonna have to mellow out that heat by putting the lid on. Over to the side, I'm cooking a pineapple Kabob for my wife. Shelter Food or Beer. Great infusion of smoke in there. Doesn't take very long to cook these pork chunks because they're in small bits, but I want to break down the vegetables, get a little char on there. I'm toasting my buns right now. Toasty buns. This is how we put it together. On the bottom roll, and we put a generous portion of this blue cheese dressing. Portion the kebab right off the skewer and onto the sandwich. Top it with a little bit of the tomato, and that's pretty much it. Pork and pineapple sub sandwich. Crushed it. Ooh. Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer. If you have any questions about this recipe, please ask, because it was off the hook.